Hi guys, I'm gonna explain this really fast. Here I'm putting Vaseline on anywhere that there's hair. I did put it on my ear and I did not have to do that. This prosthetic I created myself, and I'm just putting latex and putting it on my face, and now I'm putting latex on the rest of my face so I can put the rest of the prosthetic face on my face. I did cut it in half because I thought it was a little too bulky, and I figured let me just put once I applied it, then I can put tissues and kind of build up the face again. But the pieces that I did cut, I just thought it was just too heavy or too thick for my face. So there I have latex on my face, and now I'm putting, this is just toilet paper, guys. Toilet paper, it works wonders to create a face. And I really honestly didn't know what I was doing. I came up with Chupacabra because someone else said it, but I actually thought about it. I just didn't know if people knew what Chupacabra was. It's just an animal and that no one ever seen, but it's just a Spanish thing. I don't know how to explain it. So here I'm just putting glue and I'm kind of building up my face wherever I did cut it out. It was just too thick, so you couldn't really see my eyes, and I wanted to just to make sure that you can see my eyes. So this is just latex glue. Make sure if you have a brush, you're not going to use it again because you will ruin your brush. These are like the dollar store brushes, like the paint brushes that the kids like play with. That's what I use because otherwise you'll be messing up your brushes. So I already put a tissue on there, and then I put more glue, so I'm kind of building it up a little bit more. Now around the eyes, please be careful around your eyes. Make sure that you put Vaseline on your lashes as well. And now I'm blow drying because I wanted to speed up the process. The fumes will bother your eyes as well, so just keep in mind that it does bother your eyes. This is just, again, latex and tissue. Latex and tissues, and just keep building it up until you get the desired thickness. Alright guys, so next, once you're done, you have to set all that glue before you put your foundation on. So I'm just using the all-purpose flour. It works just as good as translucent powder. I just didn't want to waste my translucent powder. Okay, so moving on. I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty foundation that I bought 2 lights, and I figure why not use it for a Halloween look. And here I am just dabbing it on with my Real Technique sponge. I have a ton of Real Techniques, so I figure I would use it. And then I'm putting a little bit of the NYX, I believe those are little foundation drops. It worked really well because I have a dark one, so it gave kind of dimensions to my look. Next, I'm going to be using my face halo just to clean off my hand. All you need for that was just water, so that's why I used it. And here, this paint I got on eBay. And all I'm doing is going kind of like in the little creases and the little dents that I have, and putting the red in there. And then I'll put, I believe, some blacks. Alright guys, next I'm using this hairspray. It's by Spirit. It is a hairspray with color. So I was just spraying it on because it's safe for your body. And now I'm just ripping up some cotton just to kind of put it in between like those little dents, so it looks like I have like pieces of my skin coming off. I do spray it again, and I do put a little bit of foundation here. I made my own ears, guys, with the Model Magic, the color white, and then I just painted it with the foundation. And then I put glue on my ear. That's why I didn't need to put the Vaseline on my ear, but it still worked. I just think that you shouldn't put Vaseline on the ears, just the hair. And I'm just putting it on and gluing it, and then I do get some toilet paper, and then I put it right on the ear and my ear, like the fake ear and my ear, just so they can support each other and the ear doesn't fall off. So now I'm just putting a little bit of more paint around my eye, but black paint. And then I just got the Derma E conditioner, so my hair can look like a little bit greasy. I didn't want to put any kind of oil in my hair because trust me, if I put oil in my hair, it takes me like 7 years for the oil to come off. So I put conditioner on. Now I did spray around my hairline so you don't see the mass, the separation with mass in my hair. And now I'm putting the fake blood. It's very messy, guys. So make sure you have a towel. And yeah, that's it, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Thumbs up, comment, and please don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in a couple days. Love you guys so much.